In this video, I will be showing you how to crop images in Canva using a few simple methods. Let's get started. From the Canva home screen, I'll start by selecting a template, so I'll click on Instagram Post to open a fresh workspace. To begin, I'll go to the side panel and click on Elements, then I'll search for some photos to work with. I'll scroll through the options and select this image of some white flowers. Once it's on my canvas, I'll click on it to select it, and then I'll click the Edit Photo button in the top menu. This opens up my editing tools, where I'll select the Crop tool. You'll see several options here, including a Smart Crop feature. I can manually adjust the crop by grabbing the corners and dragging them in to focus on a specific part of the image. I can also choose from preset aspect ratios like 1:1, 16:9, or even a vertical 9:16. I'll try out a few different ratios to see which one fits best, like this 2:3 vertical crop. I can click and drag the image within the crop box to reposition it exactly where I want it. Once I'm happy with the framing, I'll just click Done. Now I can resize the cropped image on my canvas by dragging the corners to make it fill the space. It's a quick and easy way to make your photos fit your design perfectly.